Chery's new energy vehicle brand Fulwin officially released the 2026 Fulwin X3L, a boxy-style SUV positioned for outdoor and intelligent driving scenarios. The Fulwin X3L comes factory-ready with a 1.6-ton towing qualification and offers a rich ecosystem of customization options, including a roof platform system, vehicle-mounted drone, a roof rack with a 75-kilogram load capacity, side storage, trunk storage, a side-climbing ladder, and side steps. The X3L features an approach angle of 22 degrees, a departure angle of 30 degrees, and a minimum ground clearance of 225 millimeter. In addition, the chassis features cast aluminum H-arm rear suspension and front and rear frequency selective damping shocks, boosting ride comfort and handling performance. Inside, the vehicle adopts a design infused with rugged styling elements. You'll find a full LCD instrument panel and a floating 15.6-inch central control screen, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. It is complemented by a rotary gear selector, a 50-watt wireless charging pad, a pair of cup holders, and seating with power adjustment, heating, and ventilation. The powertrain consists of the Kunpeng Golden Extended Range system, combining a 1.5-liter engine act as a generator, along with electric motors. The single-motor version produces a maximum power of 248 horsepower, while the dual-motor four-wheel drive version boasts 422 horsepower. The battery pack capacities offered are 20.6 kilowatt-hour and 33.6 kilowatt-hour. It providing a pure electric cruising ranges of 135 kilometer and 215 kilometer, with a maximum combined range exceeding 1,200 kilometer. In China, Chery officially launched pre-sales for the Fulwin X3L with a starting price of 119,900 yuan,